Hello video editors, welcome to the Filmora video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to create a sketch effect video album in Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. I have imported some video footage. You can use any type of video footage. Add videos to the timeline. Select all and set the duration to 6 seconds. Remove blank spaces between video footage. Go to the Effect tab and search for Sketch. Add the charcoal effects to the first video. Select Effects and move the playhead at the starting point of the timeline. Add the first keyframe to the effect. Move the playhead to the 2-second position and set the opacity value to 0. Move the playhead to the 4-second position and keep the opacity 0. Add the keyframe. Move the playhead to the 5-second and 15-frame position and set the opacity value to 100. Now copy the effect and paste it above all the videos. Go to Transition, and add Dissolve Transition. You can try different transitions. That's all from the Filmora Sketch Effects video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.